Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Choma Michael. Here we want to make our strawberry cookies. I have the ingredients there, and the next thing we have to do is to start mixing everything together. So first, I'll whip my margarine. I will list out all the ingredients needed, so don't worry. Just look down the comment section, you will see them. So whip my buttercream until it's fluffy, pale white. Now I will add my icing sugar. Yes, this is not granulated sugar, this is icing sugar, the one you use in covering your cake, the one used in making fondant. Exactly, that's the one. So start adding them cream together until more and more pale. Now we'll cream. Now when you think they are all combined, please remember to always remember to scrape the sides of your mixer, just like I am doing now. Please, it's really important so you get the down part. I would mix a little more and then add my flour. Yes, the flour. Once I'm done adding the flour, the next thing we'll do is to add the milk. Please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do, and also turn on the notification button so you will know when I make posts. I post yummy recipes, very yummy ones. You can actually monetize them, make money from them. They are all good recipes. Trust me, I don't have a single bad one. Now I will start adding the milk. You can just use any liquid milk of your choice, or you use powdered milk. Add 1 cup of water to 3 teaspoons, or 2 teaspoons of milk. Anyhow you want, it's okay. Just 1 cup of milk. Now remember to always scrape. It is really important that you scrape. So scrape, and once you are done, go ahead to mix together again. So which video do you want me to do next? Please, I would want to see that in the comment section. What video do you want me to do again? Drop it. And also, if you've tried any of my recipes, also let me know. It gives me joy seeing people try my recipes out. So remember, always scrape. It is really important. I'm taking my time to show you how much I scrape, because you don't want to have uncombined dough. It won't be nice. And then the last one. Now once I am done, I take out the hook and transfer. Remember, what we are making is strawberry cookies. Yeah, so the next thing, I would divide my dough. Why do you think I am dividing my dough? Because I also want to make a vanilla cookies, or you could say plain cookies, but then when you add your vanilla flavor, that makes it a vanilla cookies. So yes, if you want to get banana cookies, orange cookies, whatever cookies, you use these ingredients as your base and then add the flavor of your choice. You can also add nuts. If it's chocolate, add your chocolate. Whatever you need to do, just add to give your own that distinctive taste. Yes, so here I am adding my strawberry flavor, because that's what makes it the strawberry. Then if you have original strawberry, you can also blend and add it. So yeah, I will then go ahead to mix together, combine thoroughly. Please make sure you do. See the way I'm using my spatula, I didn't bother using a hand mixer or stand mixer again. My spatula is okay. Then I will just go ahead to transfer to the piping bag. This is just the piping bag with nozzle in a glass cup so that I'll have more control over it as I scoop. So transfer as much as you can, but don't get it too full so that you'll be able to control your piping. Yeah, so load as much as your hand can take, as much as you can be able to pipe. So I'm done. So you've seen the way I put it here in a glass cup. See how easy it was to pull out, and no messy situation. Ignore my hand, the color messed it up, the flavor. So I started piping. Pipe any shape you want, big, small, whatever shape you want to get. So just go ahead and do that. Yeah, so here I was done piping the shapes I want, different shapes, different sizes. Look at them. Yeah, so I also piped the plain one, a little marble. So yeah, and here I was done. They are all baked. If you eat these cookies, hey God, you will dash me your last card. I kid you not. Very, very yum, and it melts in the mouth. Very cutesy, very demure. So yeah, very nice. You can also just sell the big sizes, 5 for 1,000 naira only. Monetize it, you are making money off whatever it is you want to. Look at them, so yummy. Thank you for joining. Can't wait to see you in my next video.